Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can sort data in Microsoft Excel. So for this table, if I right click here, you can see there is a sort option, and here you can see it is sorting from A to Z. That means it goes alphabetically, and also it can sort from Z to A. That means it can sort you reverse order. So I apply A to Z. Now you can see that it started from A to Z. There is nothing in A, B, C, D. That's why you can see it starts from E, then F, then it goes all the way to O. And here also I can do the same. I can sort alphabetically A to Z, and now you can see all the A come in the first place and then the rest. Also here I can apply the same sorting. And one thing you need to understand that these four datas are correspondent. So if I change here, these two datas will be changed as well. So if I sort again here from A to Z, the sorting will take those that is relevant to that cell on the right side. Now maybe in my sheet I would like to sort the finance first, but if I go here and ask to sort it from A to Z, it will always sort the E first. So I can do it by going here, sorting, and custom sort. In the custom sort I can show which one I would like to appear first. So here you can see you would like to sort division and sorting on the cell values, and you go here custom list. You can make the custom list now, like you want finance first and then you want maybe HR. So if I now press OK, and now you see that finance and HR, the sorting has started with the finance first, then HR, and then engineering, and then marketing. It is also possible to sort on multiple level. If you would like to do sorting on multiple level, you go again in the sort option, go to the custom sort, and here we have already sorted it by division, cell values, finance, and HR. We'll add level and which one we'd like to sort. Let's say we'd like to sort the region, and we'd like to sort it with cell values. And here this time you can also go again with a custom list, but I have showed you already how to make a custom list, so I'm not going to make one here. Instead I just choose Z to A, and when I applied it, now it is basically coming on reverse. So it took the opposite first and the other second for each one. So now I'm going to show you the other type of sorting. You can also sort by color. So for example, I have marked them as red and some of them as green, and now I would like this value to come in the beginning of my table. So how I can do that? I go again in the sort, custom sort, and now I'm going to make a level here, and this level is the last one, revenue, and it will be sorted by the color, cell color, and this red cell color would be on the top, and this one I can take over by clicking this arrow button, and then I press OK. Now you can see that the red thing has jumped on the top. And for green, if I would like this green things comes down here under red, I will go in the sort option again, custom sort, and then making another level, and which one I would like to sort, a revenue, and here also cell color, and this one will be this green one. And when I press this green things is sorted with the red one underneath. And why we'd like to sort with color? Because sometimes it could be that with the red you would like to give some warning, whoever reading this Excel sheet, and maybe there are some extraordinary performance you would like to show them in green. And the last one I'm going to show is you can sort also by icon. How can you do that? To do so, we're going to use the conditional formatting. We select our data set, we go in the conditional formatting, we come here icon sets, and we go in the more rules, and now here we can choose these three, or we can choose from the drop down the icons, maybe these three, or you can choose to change the icons according to your wish. So I just choose randomly three of them, and then there are conditions you can set here, and it is actually comparing the value here. And when I press OK, now you see that it has different icons in different value, so they are scattered. I would like this all gray things together, so I'll go in the sort, custom sort, and this time I'm going to delete these two. So how we can delete any label, we are going to delete by delete label, and this time we're going to add another one, and then the revenue we're going to sort by conditional formatting icon, and the icon, those numbers that start with this icon, I would like them on top, and if I drag it over here, this all the value will start with this icon, will be completely on top, but I would like them to be on the bottom of this red and green color numbers. When I press OK, now you see that they have been aggregated under here. Thank you very much for watching.